dramatic tone. Is this the ideal diet for a feline? We observed 2 domestic kittens consuming a typical homemade meal: white rice, fish sauce, vegetable scraps, and even a fish bone. Today, we combine behavioral science with nutritional analysis to explore the risks and realities of this common feeding practice. Chapter 1: Palatability and Licking Dynamics. The kitten's initial, rapid licking focuses primarily on the fish sauce broth, indicating high palatability driven by fat and protein aromas. Text overlay: target sauce aroma. Their interaction with the white rice, a primary carbohydrate source, is significantly lower, highlighting the obligate carnivorous preference. Chapter 2: Vigilance and Nutritional Focus. The upright posture confirms the need for environmental vigilance. In the context of a mixed diet, this alertness might also reflect selective feeding. The kitten must scan the bowl to pick out desirable protein and avoid potentially hazardous items like the fish bone. Chapter 3: High Priority Consumption, HPC. When the head proximity is maximized, it often occurs near a perceived high-value item, likely the meat or fish portion. We must simultaneously consider the risk of bone ingestion. Text overlay: hazard fish bone visible. For domestic felines, bone consumption is a significant veterinary concern due to potential choking or digestive perforation. Chapter 4: The patent pole reflex in mixed diets. The use of the forelimb here is crucial. It's an attempt to stabilize the food or to pull larger, more desirable chunks, like a piece of fish, away from the mixture of rice and vegetables, confirming active nutritional sorting behavior typical of carnivores avoiding fillers. Chapter 5: Nutritional Adequacy, the carb-heavy meal. A large portion of this bowl is white rice. Cats lack the necessary enzyme pathways to efficiently process high levels of carbohydrates. This pattern of feeding, if long-term, can lead to nutrient deficiencies, for example, taurine, and increase the risk of obesity or diabetes. Chapter 6: Resource Guarding and Social Hierarchy. The intensity of resource guarding, competition, escalates when the food value is high, in this case, the fish protein content. This competition confirms the high drive for animal-based nutrition, even within a domestic environment where resources are generally secure. Visual, highlight the point of contention. The observed behavior validates the need for separate feeding stations to ensure equal nutrient intake. The rice and fish diet highlights the conflict between owner convenience and feline biological needs. While our kittens exhibit fascinating survival behaviors, optimal health requires a balanced, meat-first approach. Subscribe for the full analysis on how to transition your cat to a safer, healthier diet.
Tự nhiên nhỉ.